Get into the 2018 Nissan Kicks. This vehicle still has fewer than 10,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. This spacious Kicks delivers crossover versatility with a trendy twist. You're sure to appreciate its impressive fuel efficiency, standard driver assist safety features, and comfortable cabin, and you'll love the fun factor. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: electronic stability control, floor mats, trip computer, engine immobilizer, power windows, bucket seats, power steering. Navigate your world in confidence and style in this safety-minded Kicks. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.